Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number AC11376. This is by Barska Optics. This is a Ridgeline scope. It's a 3-12 by 44mm P4 IR reticle with a 1-inch tube. We're going to open this up so you can get a better look-see on the inside so you know what you're getting when you order the product. You have these. Here are your information on the reticle, product registration, information on your limited warranty, cleaning supplies, and instructions. Again, this is your Ridgeline scope. It is a 3-12 by 44mm P4 IR reticle with 1-inch tube.